Wales, though, is much smaller than countries like China. Can we really make a difference, do you think, on big issues like climate change?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. We do need lots of demonstration. We need successful, to learn to guide the biggest country like China, to follow. And so if we can bring some successful case from UK, from the city like Cardiff back to the China, that will be much helpful for the biggest country. We need a successful case, and also we need some support whatever the financially, technically, or even just provide an idea for the city like the Cardiff, Wales, UK, and to share, to learn each other. So most important, we are facing same issue, which is the climate change.